Okay, next one up is a new client with his BMW R1250RS. This is his daily commuter. Not been cleaned in some time. She is minging. We're gonna do one of our legendary full Monty valets. I am gonna do some machine polishing. If you look at that windscreen, it is ingrained with dirt and bugs. What on earth is that? So we're gonna do some machine polishing on all this bodywork. I'm gonna XCP everything. Once it's all cleaned, washed, decontaminated, degreased, debugged, we'll get it in the studio. We've got some serious polishing to do on this. Get all this bodywork looking its finest, get those exhausts cleaned up the best possible. Like I said, I don't know what's happened to this windscreen, but she is filthy. This is his daily commuter. He goes to Canary Wharf every day on it. We've got lots of burnt on tar, road grime. This will make a good before and after. Wish me luck. Anyways, let's get it washed, get a bit of snow foam on it, get all this decontaminated, and then we'll get it in the studio and crack on with some detailing. Let's get started. Go 3 hours on the dot. BMW R1250RS has been fully trotted. What a transformation on this beast. Every nook and cranny has been polished, protected, XCP misted all over the motor. Got all that burnt on tar off of there. Single stage polish on all the bodywork, removed the windscreen, polished inside and out. Absolutely gleaming. Now protected for the months ahead. Get yours booked in now. 07966 249 963.